Hi, this is Dipanshu Chauhan, CEO at Delta IT Network. We are a 2 decades old organization based out of North India. We call ourselves as a true and a complete IT organization because we cater to all the 4 domains of IT. First one being IT infra, which is the core of any business, of any organization. Then the software development, which is our digital transformation business. Third one would be the cyber security, which is the need of the hour for all the all the accounts, all the customers, all the businesses. And to manage all of this, we do provide managed services so that the lives of our customers are at ease. So that is how we are a true and a complete IT organization. My journey with Veeam, it starts 5 years back. Since then, it's been a crazy journey, and we feel proud to be a Veeam partner. To position Veeam as a product to all our customers, it's quite easy, and all our customers love getting the hands on with Veeam software, with Veeam products. It's also a great entry point for us and to gain trust of new customers because it's all about data protection, data resilience. That's a need of the hour at in the coming years to be. And also, I would like to give a heads up for the licensing policy of Veeam. It's very easy for partners, also for the customers to use the product. It has a great interface, great way of managing for the IT admins, for the IT CIOs. So I think the journey has been great, and we are looking forward to more years to come. So if I honestly see the use cases, there have been so many use cases down the line. But if I need to mention two recent cases, let's say one would be a growing NBFC based out of NCR only. So they came to us for their DPDB compliance, and since they are a growing organization, their database and their customer data is quite critical for them. So we positioned Veeam there, and it turned out to be a superb choice for the customer. Customer is extremely happy. So they rely on us 100% now. So that's what a great use case for us was. Second, a recent win would also be an automaker in North India. So it was earlier using a competition product in the backup space. We positioned Veeam software along with the Veeam sales and their specialized engineers. We were not only able to replace that competition with Veeam complete environment, but also we sold a newly launched product called Veeam Cloud Connect, which is specialized for the remote users. So that was actually the need of the customer, and since their whole team is on field, so it turned out to be a great choice. And we are happy to sell Veeam in these cases. So talking about challenges and learnings, every requirement comes with its own challenges and its own learnings. One of our recent cases was an automaker who was already running on a legacy backup solution, backup product. We, along with the Veeam team, the engineers, the challenge was to help customer convince to change their whole existing legacy infra to come up on the Veeam environment. So that was a challenge for us, and but eventually we came up with the right way out, and we gained the trust together. We were able to crack that customer, and now that customer is running on Veeam platform completely. That was one win, and that's how we overcome the challenge. Talking about learning, in the same deployment, we learned about a new product called Cloud Connect, which is one of the recent launches. And our team got a good hands-on in implementing that product. We, as an organization, our team is pitching that product to all our existing customers and new customers, and it is turning out to be a hero product for us. We are happy, learning new things with Veeam together. So if I talk about future perspective of Veeam growing as a data backup organization and a data resilience company, I think the future is great for Veeam as an organization, because we as partners, we are their extended arms, and Veeam being a Gartner product for the past 5 years, it is number one choice for all the all grown organizations who are critical, who invest in data protection. And I also think that for new organizations, like new startups, smaller companies who are becoming big every day, Veeam would always be their first choice for the data protection compliances. Also, if I talk about Savex as an organization, so our association with Savex has been 20 years old, I would say, and our commitments with Savex runs on trust. Since Savex is one of the oldest distributors in India, got a trio of Savex, Veeam, and Delta. I think it's a superb combination to work with, and we see a growing future together. Our team, the Savex team and the Veeam team, are dedicatedly working to win new logos and to provide the best services to the customers. That's all. I think it's a great journey for all three of us together.